If you're trying to watch ESPN through Disney and it keeps asking you to link your TV provider, here's the real way to do it, and what most tutorials forget to tell you. First, ESPN isn't automatically included with Disney+. To unlock ESPN live channels, your cable or satellite plan must already include ESPN. If it doesn't, linking will never work. Now here's how to link it properly. Open any browser and go to espn.com/watch/provider. This is the official authentication page, not Disney+. Sign in using your Disney account email and password. ESPN, Disney+, and ABC all use the same login system. Once you're signed in, click Link TV Provider. A full list of supported providers will appear: Spectrum, Xfinity, DirecTV, Cox, Verizon, Dish, and many regional companies. Choose your provider, and you'll be redirected to their login page. Now enter the username and password you use for your TV provider, the same login you use to pay your bill or manage your account. If the subscription includes ESPN, you'll see a confirmation message: your TV provider has been successfully linked. At this point, ESPN live channels, replays, and event streams will unlock inside the ESPN app, espn.com, and wherever ESPN content is available through Disney. If linking fails, it usually means one of three things: you used the wrong login, your package doesn't include ESPN, or the provider is not supported. And that's it. Now you can enjoy unlimited ESPN access anywhere.